So, to fix my sliced finger, I think it needs some oxygen. Wow, this is really sore. Oh, I say, it's rather bloody. Ah, look at the lovely state of that. I've got a zombie finger. Oh, just be careful, mate. Don't rip it off. Don't make it worse. It's been 2 days in the dark. Gosh, it was bleeding before. Right, so... Oh. Please be careful. Oh, look at the state of that. Oh, that's deep. So I've got to find a way to... Oh, goodness me, that'll do for now. And then I've got to snip that bit off. I think that would be the best thing to do. And then put on my finger, Johnny. Right, okay. Oh, it's awfully painful. It don't half hurt, Mum. It ain't half hurt, Mum. Oh no, it ain't half hot, Mum. Oh God. Why can't you cut? It's supposed to be really good scissors. Oh, I need some left-handed scissors. Oh, bloody. Maybe I could take it off and then cut it. How about that? Should we try that? Yes, let's. How a lot? Right, so cut this way. Try not to cut your other finger. That's how you do it. It has to be a right-handed scissors. Right, that can stay there. Stage 2. Right, so... Is that going to be able to heal there? It'll have oxygen, won't it? Don't be forceful. How I got... Tell you who's an idiot. Me. Right, hold that there and then pull that there. Gently. Not funny. It is funny if it was someone else, so I'd be pissing my pants. Haha, I would say. Right, that's good enough there. Like that. And then we can fold that over the top. Oh, please be careful, Andy. Do you know what? I'm just going to leave you like that and put on the finger, Johnny. How a lot? Oh, that's awfully stretchy. Oh, I'm rubbish at stuff. Right, put them there. Put your finger in there a little bit. Alright, let's get that way. Try not to bloody hurt it. Right, I think that is a lot more breathable. And just hope it doesn't come off in the night. Ow, a lot! Just what you do that for! Sorry, Andy, you idiot. I know. I'm not. Yeah, but you are, though. Oh. Right, so. That could do it. Oh, it's awfully throbby. Right, so I think that'll have to do. It can breathe, sort of. Well, better than being... Yeah, okay. Give that a go, Joe. Oh, who the hell is Joe? Is he an idiot too? Yeah, yes, it's... Oh, okay. Calm your tits. Everything's fine. Chill.